Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Today we're doing an unboxing video of Ryedale Farm Salted Caramel Fudge. This is actually made in Ryedale Farm, and that's POCKLINGTON, York. It's a 180 box, so let's have a look. Salted Caramel Fudge, sounds good, eh? Right. Now I'm a big fudge lover myself, absolutely love fudge. It's a decent amount in there as well. Right. Them on there. Right. I'll cut one open and see what it looks like. Alright. So basically looks the same inside, doesn't it? Nothing. I'll taste that. That is very nice, very soft. I can't really taste the salted caramel though, to be honest with you. This tastes like normal fudge to me, but you know, people are different, got different tastes. So that's it guys, that's a quick look at that product for you. Hope you're doing okay. Thanks very much for coming along. Why not subscribe? I'll try and get back to you. I'm going to do a bit more towards answering my comments as well. That's my New Year's resolution. Sweet Tooth, answer your comments, and I will. Thanks very much. See you soon.